Hey guys, welcome to the lab. We are here with COD Steve. We have a very exciting announcement. Steve, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you. How are you, Leon?
Good. So we teamed up and we made something special. So we are here to promo the Poultrygeist. Um, this has been a long time coming for this hat. When I saw it, I knew it was a winner. We had a little bit uh, of an issue getting it in hand, but it has arrived, and I'm happy to talk about it. So let's do that. Thank you for joining, and can you tell us a little bit about this design?
Yeah, sure. Thank you for having me. And yeah, it was worth the wait. I mean, what did we wait a year?
Yeah, I feel like this has been in the works since uh, close to a year, probably like the summer,
Mhm.
fallish, but it feels like a lifetime ago.
Um, when I first conceptualized this design, um, I was working with my buddy Nathan Davis. He goes by Obvian,
Mhm.
and we've been making just like a bunch of punny, fun food designs. But I think this one got away from food and went alive. Like before the animal became food, because I had a bunch of weird like hot wings design ideas and things like that, and I really wanted to dip my feet in glow in the dark, and this is my first glow in the dark hat. So Poultrygeist is the name of the hat. I think it's a play on one of those awful horror films.
Yeah,
Um, and
Poltergeist.
yeah, and it was just fun. Like I we got to explore, the skeleton of the bird, which you will see when it glows in the dark, and it works magnificently. You'll see. I'm really hyped on this. We had a blast designing it, and I'm just happy you guys were able to execute it exactly how I imagined it from
Yeah,
the very beginning.
yeah. I remember when Tony approached me with the idea potentially, and um, he showed me the art, and I'm like, yeah, that's a go. And then usually my part comes into play where it's like time to color it and pick the fabrics and whatever. But everything was already done, so I didn't really do much, admittedly, in the project other than um, receive my hat and coordinate with you to talk about it. But I think this is an amazing hat. I think people are going to be pumped to receive it. So let's take a closer look. You're wearing it, but
Hmm.
right here. So we got that kind of graphite black, sneaky two tone going, um, white with that kind of sky blue. And then if you see the details in there, that's what's going to show up later. And then obviously glow in the dark, and then glow in the dark here. All of the hats will be coming with a Capologist branded pin, which we'll show you later, does glow in the dark, and an amazing sticker, which I have never really seen a glow in the dark sticker, but we got them done. So that's pretty awesome. Um, I'm going to show you what this thing looks like. So if I were to turn off all the lights, it wouldn't matter because the screen's so bright, we wouldn't be able to show you. But we have prepared this amazing slideshow. So this is the package that you'll be receiving: hat, pin, and sticker. And so just to show you, the back glows in the dark, the front glows in the dark, and the stickers glow in the dark. So normally I'm not a huge guy on glow in the dark, but I think that this feature adds so much personality to the design. Look at how badass that thing looks.
The skeleton looks amazing.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, there's so many different colorways we can play with this. Eventually, we can even release like just an X-ray version with it being blacked out and the
Yeah.
bones being colored a different color. I mean, I'm already thinking of different iterations, but this
I
hat is amazing.
Sorry, I like to think my vectors made it very easy for you to color.
Yeah, I didn't touch a damn thing. So what you gave me, we submitted, and shout out to our rep. who originally worked on this gym, and then eventually Kat. But yeah, they did an amazing job with the execution, and I can't wait for people to get their hands on this. We'll be dropping this hat. So you're watching this on Tuesday night. We'll be dropping this on Thursday afternoon. So 3 p.m. Eastern is our standard drop time, 2 p.m. Pacific. Be a very limited drop. If it does well, then we can consider some other options, but 36 is the initial run. Not a lot of units, but I'm so excited to get this into people's hands.
I love it. I'm so happy with it.
Yeah. And hopefully this is a start of a wonderful partnership. I mean, I've been watching you from afar and some of the work you've done, and
I appreciate
not just hats, just all over the place. So you're a monster. I'm glad to have you join the team and be a part of the roster. I'm just so excited, man.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Yeah, Thursday, get your hat. And if you don't tell us after it's sold out that you won the one. So Thursday, for Steve and Leon, we're out of here. Peace.
Brought to you by VFTV.